Welcome to the Solana token burn tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to burn your Solana tokens. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your token holdings. Next, select the token you want to burn. Click on the token address input field and choose your token from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the correct token, as this will determine which token supply will be reduced. Verify the token details to ensure you have the correct token selected. Check the token name, total supply, and balance to understand the current state of your token. Now, enter the number of tokens you wish to burn in the burning quantity input field. This is the amount of tokens that will be permanently removed from circulation. Make sure to enter the correct number, as this will affect the total supply of your token. Finally, click on the Burn Token button to initiate the burning process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the total fees and the amount of SOL required. Once you confirm the transaction, the process will begin. You'll see a processing message on the screen. This might take a few moments. The platform is now burning the tokens on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! The tokens have been successfully burned. You can now view the updated token details in your wallet. Thank you for using the Solana token burn tool. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation.